Hey there, budding Campfire Guitar Heroes, and welcome to this week's lesson where I'm bringing you the 1993 classic from Radiohead called Creep. So, Creep by Radiohead. Now, the real magic in this song, it's all about the mood of the song. It's a very dark song. In fact, the story goes, this song, if you listen to the lyrics, is all about a guy who didn't feel he was worthy enough for his girlfriend. So there's a real self-esteem issue there, and that's why he thinks he's a creep and all that sort of thing. When you hear the words, you'll get it. But it's quite a dark song, so that needs to be reflected in the way you play it on guitar. Now, this song has been covered so many times by so many great artists because it's one of those songs that sort of starts moody and it has a crescendo and then it finishes low again. So it's got a lot of sort of black and white, mood in it, and you need to reflect that in the guitar playing. So when you see my full playthrough, you'll get a sense of that. That's the real magic of the song. It's not so much about the singing. Admittedly, you probably need an awesome voice to pull the song off properly. I don't have that. I just sing it because I love the song. Doesn't matter. As we know at Campfire Guitar Hero, it's not about being the world's greatest singer. It's just about enjoying great songs and playing them on guitar, singing along and getting others to join in. So that's our goal today, and I'm going to show you how to do it. But before we do that, just a reminder, I put out a full free song sheet for each song, so it'll have the lyrics, the chords, everything you need. Just check out my Patreon page, the description is below, and you'll be able to download that for free, no email required. So today's lesson, what I'm going to do is just give you a basic mechanics of the song, break it down for you very simply, show you the chords and the strumming, and then I'm going to do a full playthrough at the end so you get a sense of my version of it. So the mechanics of the song, pretty straightforward. Four chords, the same four chords, around and around and around again. It starts on a D, so that's an easy one. Then it goes to one of the first of the next three bar chords, D to an F sharp, to a G and do the G bar, so that's on the 3rd fret, and then you just lift off the bird finger and it's a G minor, so you'll get a sense of that. D, F sharp, G, G minor, and that's the whole song. The strumming is pretty straightforward too. I'll do the first sort of verse and you get a sense of it. Whatever you want. Wish I was special, so very special. So let's hear that strum. It's down, block, down, down, block, down, block, down, down, block, down, block, down, down, block, down, block, down, block, down, block, down, down, block. That's the strum all the way through. It's pretty straightforward. So I'll just slow that down for you guys. Down, block. The block is when you're brushing the strings down, but you're also blocking it with your hand or your palm. Called a palm mute, but I call it a block, all right? So down, block, down, down, block. I'll just actually mute the string so you get a sense of it. I'm emphasizing the action there, but you can hear it. You can hear the beat and the rhythm of the strum. Whatever you want, I'll look you in the eye, just like an angel. Skin makes me cry. So that's the song. When you see me play it, I do, when it builds up to the crescendo, which I'll do a bit for you now, I just throw in a couple more up strums to give it that sort of a bit more oomph as it builds up. So, she's running out and she's running out, run, run, run. And So it goes on like that. Back to the D. But it's the same. When you were here before, gonna look you in the eye, just like an angel. Skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special, just so very special. But I'm a creep, I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. Want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I'm not around. I wish I was special, so very special. But I'm a creep, I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. No, she's running out and she's running out. Run, run, run. Whatever you want, whatever makes you happy. Wish I was special, so very special. But I'm a creep, I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong here. So there you go, guys. That's Creep from Radiohead. Definitely one to have in your campfire guitar playing repertoire, because it's one of those great songs everyone can sing and thrash out their voice. Doesn't matter how good or bad a singer you are, everyone will sing along to this one and get right into it. Thanks for your time. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe to my channel because I know you will anyway if you liked what you saw. Instead, give me a like, give me a couple of comments, and don't forget to check out the my Patreon page for the free song sheet download. Thanks for your time today, and don't forget Campfire Guitar Hero, where all you need is a few chords, a few friends, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star.